Everything we do and everywhere we go, we are exposing ourselves to some kind of risk. Risk surrounds us. But we don't take risks for no reason. We take risks because every risk comes with a reward. Often, the reward is in the form of financial gain, but people take risks for all sorts of reasons. Fame and attention, adrenaline, fun, and excitement. Sometimes we take risks to save time or energy, and sometimes we take risks because we have to. We need to get from A to B. Or even our choice of where to live will have its own set of risks. We can think of risk and reward as two sides of the same coin, so you can't have one without the other. When confronted with a risk decision, what we instinctively do is evaluate the risk and then compare that to the reason we're taking that risk. If the risk outweighs the reward, then we don't take that risk. If the reward is greater than the risk, then we usually take that risk. Because we're surrounded by risk our whole life, we're all instinctively able to manage risk. One of our best inbuilt mechanisms to manage risk is fear. Fear is our subconscious mind telling us that we're about to take a big risk. Fear is often viewed as a negative emotion, but actually, fear keeps us alive. It focuses our minds and can help us to avoid the consequences that we fear. Now, some of us are better at managing risk than others, and the best way to get better at taking risks, or anything really, is to get some good guidance and then practice. So if you're interested in learning some more about risk and how it can help you to make better decisions, why not take our free half-hour course? To access this free course, click the link below or go to hazed.org and enroll.